I was alone, all alone. And that time I was the happiest person.
Are you sure you want to say this?
I am sure when I am in jungle, when I'm with my camera, I do not want any kind of disturbance. Never ever in history the leopard has killed a human. इसलिए वहां पर कोई भी conflict नहीं है.
They're coexisting.
Yes, they are tribal people, but they are so humble. पीछे से किसी ने व्हाइट टॉर्च मारा था, बहुत दूर से राइट साइड से किसी ने एक गोल्डन टॉर्च मारा था. बारिश तो हो रही है, रिम लाइट इफेक्ट, आईज आर इन फोकस. आई जस्ट टुक अ पिक्चर. आई सेड माय ड्राइवर कि लेट्स गो. हो गया मेरा.
Hi, and welcome back to another cozy episode of Tea with Tanya. Nestled in one of the most coziest houses in New Delhi, I am with a guest that I cannot wait to introduce to you guys. So, without much ado, let's go to our guest, Mrs. Reena Ganguly. Ma'am, namaskar and welcome to
Namaskar.
this show.
Namaskar.
At the age of 62,
Yes.
you found your passion of birding through photography and photography of mammals.
Yes.
So tell us who Reena Ganguly is, who Reena Ganguly was, and how you've come so far.
Reena Ganguly was a government school vice principal when she retired. And at that time was that COVID time. So everything is closed and your mental pressure is
Very high.
very high. So at that time, my husband gifted me a camera,
Mhm.
Canon camera, with a lens that is completely basic kit lens.
Mhm.
But what to do in COVID times? You cannot go out, you cannot venture out in anywhere. So, and your work pressure is tremendous, 24/7. But my solace was my terrace garden.
Mhm.
I had a beautiful terrace garden. If time permits, I will show you.
Sure.
But that time क्या हुआ कि early morning I used to sit in my garden, and then I started counting birds and taking pictures of them doing various activities like budding and feeding and quarreling and somehow or the other the different kinds of. So I counted, it was like 22 varieties of birds. They are just roaming over my terrace and garden. And it was very first thing
Mhm.
that I noticed that 22 varieties of birds are staying near me.
Mhm.
But that phase opens a new era for me. And I was getting hooked by the camera, by the pictures I'm taking, and everybody is telling me ki, oh, it's beautiful, oh, it's beautiful. And I said, oh, I'm a great photographer. But later on, but then I started my study
Mhm.
to learn about the photography and the technique of the photography and various international photojournalist, photo artist, photographers story. Then I started watching BBC. Then I started watching National Geographic, how they behave in a proper way to be in the jungle or sometimes something like that. But somehow or the other, that was COVID time, so I had to be in my own place, and I started taking different type of photography through my kit lens and this Canon camera, like flying with sunlights,
Mhm.
the mm, feeding to their younger one, the bathing rituals in the early morning, and their intricate beauties. Then I started taking close-up photographs of their eyes, of their paws, of their beaks. So then I started learning कि yes, this is the difference of this from that.
Mhm.
So from that place, जैसे कोविड का टाइम थोड़ा कम
कम
हुआ,
हुआ.
तो मैंने अपने दिल्ली के आसपास धनौरी का नाम एक जगह है, धनौरी एंड सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क है. मैंने वहाँ शायद एक बार या दो बार जाने का मौका मिला था, मतलब विथ परमिशन. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड इन धनौरी, आई I just loved that place.
Mhm.
It was winter. I just loved that place because n number of migratory birds were flocking over there. Huh. So you name it and they have it. You name it and they have it. Then I started going to visit that place only, the Dhanauri place. And there I took innumerable number of bird species and mammals like a hare and something like that. Nilgai. Nilgai
Nilgai.
was there. Yes. So then I started learning about their behavior. I thought कि no, बहुत हो गया ये रिकॉर्ड शॉट लेना, अब बिहेवियर करते हैं. But in the meantime, that's only Saturday or Sunday. I did not have any time because of my busy schedule of this school job. But then I was eagerly waiting for my retirement. Exactly. I got a chance of 5 years
Uh-huh.
extension period.
Hmm.
If I say once yes,
Hmm.
I got 5 years of extension.
Extension.
But I said no, not even a single day I will take any extension. I will go home and to the nature.
Oh, wow.
And I retired on 31st December 2022, and I took my solo trip on 3rd of January.
To?
3rd of January.
To
on-
where?
First it was in West Bengal, Purvasthali,
Mhm.
and then from that place to Odisha,
Mhm.
that is Mangalajori,
Oh, absolutely.
birds
A
heaven-
heaven for birds.
heaven for birds. And then I went to, then I came back to again West Bengal for Santiniketan, a trip, small trip, and then I went to Rongtong,
Okay.
that's Siliguri.
Siliguri.
Yeah, Rongtong. So that was it.
Hmm.
But it was, such a fulfilling experience for me to know my weaknesses, to know my strength. Because that time my husband was so busy.
Mhm.
तो मैंने सोचा भाई अकेले जाना ठीक है.
Hmm.
वहाँ मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे
But
थोड़ा
you
सा
know, very few women who are retired would actually plan a solo trip.
So, but everywhere in India, my relatives are there.
So you just travel alone. Once you reach there, you're with them.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. My friends are there, my relatives are there. So somewhere my sister accompanied me. Somehow I was alone, all alone. And that time I was the happiest person when I
wow.
was alone.
Are you sure you want to say this?
Yeah, I am sure I want to stay when I am in jungle, when I am with my camera, when I am in front of that subject or to be in front of the subject. I do not want any kind of disturbance.
Mhm.
No, I am just all alone in a meditative state, and my focus is completely into
Photography.
photography. That is it. And I know, and every photographer will एग्री ऑन इट कि यस, अरे यार ये शॉट तो गया, गलती हो गई, क्यों मैंने शटर स्पीड कम किया, अरे यार वो तो जंप किया और बिल्कुल ब्लर आए. ऐसा बहुत हुआ है, बहुत हुआ है. बट दैट वाज द लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस, देन यू विल थिंक कि नो, हो गया, बहुत हो गया, नेक्स्ट टाइम, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट. तो करते करते फिर धीरे धीरे मैंने फोटो, तब तो सभी का होता है ना कि आई वॉज टेकिंग ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर, सो लेट पोस्ट इट
Mhm.
in Instagram, in
You did that?
Facebook. Yes, I have my Instagram account. Somebody opened it
Hmm.
because I did not have any kind of account. So one of the girl like you, she opened my account in Instagram, and Ruhi opened my account in Facebook.
Okay. And then you started posting pictures.
Yes. And then everybody said, ki, oh, wow, lots of comments are coming. And I was so happy.
Mhm.
Ki, yes, I'm doing something good. But when I started studying photography,
Mhm.
learning photography through net, through books, then I thought, ki, no, this is not done. I'm not doing
Justice
any
to it.
kind of good thing. This is not photography. What I'm doing? Then I मतलब खुद को स्कोल्ड किया कि नहीं, गेट अप, हो
Hmm.
गया. नाउ come to the actual ground.
Hmm.
This is the ground where you have to be a very sincere person to do the justice to that subject.
Correct.
Definitely it will be the light, definitely it will be the time, definitely it will be the location, the composition. the technique of this computer.
Hmm.
तो बस ऐसे ऐसे ही आगे आगे चलती गई. फिर मेरा
Was your husband okay with you taking solo trips after retirement and
retirement,
doing?
yes, and somehow then somehow or the other, he, yes, because he did not have any time at that period.
Time. Hmm.
Yes, so I just managed his work also
Hmm.
to please him. And
You cracked the code.
yeah, and I just give me 4 days.
Hmm.
I went to Ahmedabad.
Okay.
My brother was there. Still my brother's house is there.
Hmm.
So I went to Ahmedabad and covered some places in Gujarat,
Hmm.
like Vadodara, like Little Run of Kutch. Wonderful place. And I took some behavioral photographs
Pictures.
of mammals, like
Mammals.
Nilgai, behavioral. And I sent that picture to one of the competition, and it was selected.
Okay.
Because first, because I had completely 20 to 25 shots of that instances. The Nilgais first kneel down,
Hmm.
and then they started fighting, for that female partner.
It was a mating behavior.
Yes, but इन्हें कि पहले ही जाके लड़ना शुरू कर दो like humans.
They had a ritual. They kneel down
Yes,
first and.
so that photo is like that. For it was being selected by the very prestigious academy in Kolkata,
Mhm.
and it was exhibited.
Mhm.
Huh. And before that, my 3 of my photographs exhibited in another gallery. And this year, JNC Foundation in Pune,
Hmm.
they have a very huge publications, and it's a very renowned foundation. So I sent up a photograph of Bhitarkanika naturescape, like saltwater crocodile in mangrove.
Mhm.
Just and his paw marks are there
marks are there.
in mud water, in
Hmm.
mud, like low tide situation. So that is it. They informed me through mail कि this picture has been. I sent 20 pictures because they wanted 20 pictures. I sent 20 pictures, different type of category में. तो they just selected this picture. But I said, यार ये पिक्चर में क्या है? इस पिक्चर में मुझे कुछ मजा नहीं आता है. It's a picture. But they selected
Saw
it.
something, yes.
Yes. So, but it was selected for the Gallery Gold exhibition in just 6th, 7th, 8th November. And they informed me, they sent me my photo and everything, certificates, everything. So this is it. And in the meantime, I used to attend different workshops of very prominent persons. Maybe they are very young to me, but
They're prominent in what they do.
yes, because they enriched me.
Hmm.
They always enrich me. Their one word enrich me.
Hmm.
Like last week, I met Prosenjit Jadhav.
Who documented the black
Yes,
leopards.
and everybody knows that what he has done.
Black tigers, right?
Black Tiger in National Geographic.
He was featured
yeah,
there,
yeah.
yes.
Because he was doing that project for 120
20
days,
days.
and he explained कि ma'am 118 days it was completely blank.
Hmm.
19 days the people told me कि अब तुम्हारा जाने का टाइम आ गया, तुम अब सब बंद हो.
Hmm.
तो मैंने लाइट वाइट सब बंद करके गाड़ी में करके जब गाड़ी में जब आ रहा था, देन आई सॉ दैट ही इज कमिंग ओवर मी, एंड दिस इज माय, जो गाड़ी में जो कैमरा होता है उससे
बस
ये
उससे
शॉट,
एक रिकॉर्ड शॉट
हाँ
लिया है।
रिकॉर्ड शॉट, वही शॉट था. करे फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मुझे तो पैर वाला शॉट चाहिए. फिर मैं खड़े रहे और वो आए और मुझे वो शॉट दिए, एंड आई said
So what was your takeaway after you met Prasenjit?
that is the lesson I took. I was overwhelmed by his narration and his way of communicating the story. And then he saw some of my pictures in my mobile, and he was very impressed to see this kind of stories. He advised me कि मैम आप इसको
You should follow up
you
this.
should follow this. You should definitely you go through this way, and in Nature in Focus they will. I said अरे कौन पूछेगा इसको? करे आपके पास सीरीज है ना? मैंने कहा हाँ. करे you go, you do this, and then the story that really close to my heart is
Padma.
Padma, the leopard, the leopardess,
Yes.
actually. So I saw her. This is my third visit to that place, especially this is in Rajasthan. The place is called Jawai Bandh. Just 80 kilometers before Mount Abu. And now it has become very popular for touristy thing. But जब मैं गई थी, that time it was like the Rabari people, the
Hmm.
Aravalli, and the leopardess. Leopard and leopardess. You can say like there is no that is not a national park. That is a natural environment. The belief system. Because every those cows, उनके पास जो भी livestock है,
Hmm.
they all are registered.
Hmm.
So if the leopard,
Catches something.
so they will get the compensation from the
The
government.
forest department.
government.
Correct. Hmm.
This is only, never ever in history the leopard has killed a human.
Human.
इसलिए वहां पर कोई भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं है.
Hmm.
ह्यूमन एंड लेपर्ड में कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
Conflict
नहीं
nahi.
है.
They're coexisting.
Yes, coexist. They are tribal people,
Hmm.
Ravari people, but they are so humble. I visited their place also. They are so humble. And Padma.
Hmm.
The main story is Padma, because I was hooked with her enigma, beauty. matlab you just keep quiet and see her.
Hmm.
You just watch her
Hmm.
moving gracefully, looking after here and there, and disappear. Huh. She has a den inside the caves, because that is an open Aravalli. It's very this
Steep.
type
Huh.
of steep. Huh.
Hmm.
So this much of hollow places are there.
And that's where they live.
Yes. So the first time it was like that. Then I said my husband कि एक बार फिर चलते हैं.
Hmm.
क्या आप बार बार एक ही जगह पे चलोगे? मैंने कहा प्लीज चलते हैं. तो फिर मान गए. तो
Tell us about that first time when you saw Padma.
Padma, it was in the evening,
Mm-hmm.
because leopard usually a shy animal,
Hmm.
They used to come out for food only,
Hmm.
or if they have kids,
Hmm.
they used to come out. But that time Padma was alone, and my first glimpse was in the evening,
Mm-hmm.
and evening was dark
Hmm.
because I was at the downs place,
Okay.
and Padma was in the
On the slope.
on
huh.
the slope, and cactus, वहाँ ऐसे cactus हैं, वो
Hmm.
cactus के बीच में बैठी है.
Acha.
So I just got her face only.
Mm-hmm.
I started clicking, but in my mind I know कि नहीं, इतना बढ़िया तो होगा नहीं कुछ. लेकिन but my camera was good, so I thought कि चलो फिर देखते हैं. So it was like that. So but that face, that in the evening, that face
In between the cactus.
in between the cactus, it was like, what is it?
Hmm.
It's magic. It's magic. That creates magic in
Uh-huh.
me. So after 6 months, I started asking him कि प्लीज चलो एक बार फिर चलते हैं, प्लीज चलो. कह रहे अभी बारिश है. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, हम वो अच्छे रिसोर्ट में रहते हैं,
Hmm.
उनके लिए तो इतना ही बहुत है. तो फिर मैंने कहा प्लीज चलो. तो फिर हम गए, and that was the month of first week of September, and it was completely raining, drenched. So क्या करें. तो सबने कहा कि पद्मा का जो है बेबीज हैं,
Hmm.
2 small cups.
Hmm.
So if you are lucky,
You might see it.
you might see. तो मेरे जो ड्राइवर है उस मेरे रिसोर्ट में, उनको वो मैं जाती हूँ तो वही ड्राइवर मुझे ले चलते हैं. फिर उन्होंने एकदम 5 बजे आके मुझे नॉक किया, मैम रेडी? आई सेड यस आई एम रेडी. चलो. बारिश
Hmm.
थोड़ा हो रहा है, बारिश हो रही है. तो मैं गई, एंड मेरे ख्याल में 20 to 22 जिप्सीज आर बिहाइंड मी. फिर उन्होंने मुझे ले जाके पद्मा की दूसरी वाली जो केव है वहां पर ले
Hmm.
जाके करे मैम थोड़ी देर रुको, अगर बाहर आते हैं तो यही आएगा.
Hmm.
उन लोगों को पता होता है, पता नहीं
हाँ.
कैसे. तो मैं वेटेड, आई वॉज ड्रेंची,
Hmm.
एंड प्लास्टिक के अंदर मेरा कैमरा ऐसे
Hmm.
मैंने गोदी में लेके मैं बैठी हूँ कि कब वो बाहर आए. एंड शी केम आउट फॉर जस्ट 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
30 seconds and just sat over there, and it was regal.
Mm.
I clicked And I said, भाई क्या है ये?
I can actually imagine you doing it. You paint such a vivid picture of that
हाँ,
day. It was, oh, I can totally imagine how you
हाँ.
must have felt.
So it was like, and then she went away. She went in and किसी को नहीं नजर आए उस दिन.
You were the only one who
I
saw
am
it.
the only one. Then I came back to my resort and the resort manager asked me, ऐसे इशारा किया कि मेरा, मैंने कहा यस. फिर मैंने उसको दिखाया, कह रहे किसी को बोलना मत, और किसी ने नहीं देखा.
This will create chaos,
हाँ,
yes.
तो ये तो गया मेरा सेकंड, क्योंकि शाम को भी मैं गई थी बट इट वाज कम्प्लीटली नो शो. बट वो जो उसने दिखाया था ना, वो मेरे ना यहाँ पे बस गई थी. वो जो उसने, वो मैं तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ वो कैसे बैठी थी. तो फिर मेरे हस्बैंड ने कहा इनफ, अब चलो, अब
Hmm.
हो गया.
Hmm.
फिर मैंने सोचा कि अब कैसे. फिर मुझे किसी ने खबर किया कि उसका 2 बच्चा फिर से हुआ है. एंड नहीं, एंड देन दैट मून सीजन एंड दैट कार्तिक पूर्णिमा,
Purnima, huh?
इट वाज बिग मून.
Hmm.
सो आई सेड ओके फाइन, क्या करें. सब बोल रहे कि वो बाहर नहीं आ रही है, बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं आ रही है वो.
Because Padma had just recently lost
Yes,
her babies,
recently
huh?
lost her cubs to the male.
Hmm.
It is so pathetic sin for us only. But animal world, it's most
It's
common.
natural,
It's
huh?
natural. You can't say. So in the evening, my another driver from that resort only, उसने मुझे कहा कि मैम अब मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ, चलिए. तो मैं उसके साथ तो, और मैं हमेशा ड्राइवर के साथ ही बैठती हूँ ताकि
Hmm.
कोई मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्शन ना
Hmm.
करे, मुझे फील ना हो कहीं तरह से.
Hmm.
तो एंड ही वाज वेरी एक्सपर्ट टू दैट सिनेरियो. तो उसने एकदम से घुमा के एक पहाड़ी पे ले आए और
Hmm.
मुझे कह रहे कि खड़े हो जाओ. वो अभी बाहर आया, खबर मिला है, अब देखो इधर आना है. तो मैंने देखा इधर से बिरे मून भी ऊपर आ रहा है.
Oh, wow.
सो आई वाज वेटिंग कि पद्मा आए और मैं ऐसी कुछ मिले मुझे.
Right.
तो इट वाज द टाइम, देन द मून वाज कमिंग अप
On the horizon, huh?
हाँ, on the horizon, and then it is coming up, and no पद्मा, no पद्मा, पद्मा, सब चिल्लाने लगे. तो देखा तो उसके सिर्फ सिर, उसका जो है हेड पोर्शन देखा. फिर मैंने कहा मेरे फ्रेम नहीं बन रहे हैं, और मैं ऐसा हूँ कि मैं वो लगातार करके मैं फोटो नहीं लेती हूँ.
Hmm.
मुझे वो लगता है कि हाँ लेना चाहिए तो ही मैं लेती हूँ.
Hmm.
एंड देन पद्मा केम एंड जस्ट उसने अपना यहाँ तक ऊपर किया, और वो मैंने पहले सिर्फ 10 सेकंड मेरे पास टाइम था कि दोनों चीज को फोकस करना,
The moon and
द मून एंड पद्मा.
and Padma.
सो आई बिलीव ऑन माय सोनी कैमरा, एंड उसका एक सेटिंग है. तो वो सेटिंग से मैंने दोनों पे लाइट वो किया एंड क्लिक.
Uh-huh.
जस्ट वन, मेरे ख्याल में दिस शॉट हैज बीन ओनली वन क्लिक.
Uh-huh.
That's all. And later on, I clicked some pictures of like ऐसे बैठे, but that was not like that. But this is it.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought कि उसकी जो loneliness है,
Hmm.
this
A
has,
mother lost her cubs.
yes. So I felt from my heart only कि this is her,
Pain.
this is her pain in a Kartik Purnima moon, that is bereaved moon, and Padma was sitting over on the Aravalli hills.
So when I first walked into your house, I didn't see the picture actually. I was so enthralled by everything put on this side of the wall. I didn't actually turn around and see the other wall. But then because of the door being slightly ajar and shadowing that picture, I thought, okay, maybe you took a picture of the moon and the moon looks really nice, but it looks a little out of frame to me. But I am no one to judge you, so I kept my,
Yes,
silence.
yes.
But then something was not right in that picture to me, that why would somebody take a picture of a moon where the moon is slightly, out of the frame?
Yes.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. And that's when you close the door. And then I saw Padma sitting towards that moon.
Yes.
And if I may say this, if melancholy, an English word, could be described in a picture,
Yes.
this would be it.
Yes.
This picture would describe that word to its absolute T. And was that a lifer for you?
Yeah, definitely. In a border language, you can't say lifer, but I think this is a once in a lifetime
Lifetime
opportunity
moment.
for me. कि कार्तिक की वो जो मून है, that is also a painful moon
Hmm.
in my vision only,
Hmm.
and Padma. she is also you know,
They were mirroring each other, kind
yes,
of.
yes, and I felt that pain in myself also ki
Hmm.
why.
I think that's what people say, what they mean actually when they say the art and the artist,
Artist.
they
So
reflect
that,
each other.
yes, so that was it. Then again this year somebody told me कि पद्मा का 2 बच्चा हुआ है अभी।
Hmm.
फिर मैंने रिसोर्ट में फ़ोन किया कि क्या बात है? बात क्या है? कह रहा है मैडम बहुत हो रहा है, बहुत हो रहा है। फिर मैंने कहा मैं आऊँ? उन्होंने कहा बिल्कुल आ जाओ। फिर मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को परस्यू किया कि प्लीज़ चलो। प्लीज़
And
चलो।
was still that difficult to convince him?
Actually, before that Pushkar was there and he loves to go to Pushkar.
Pushkar.
हाँ, I said let's go to Pushkar. कह रहे फिर जवाई जाने के लिए बात मत करना। I said okay, let's see.
Oh, you just took him to Pushkar in the pretense that you're not going to Jawai. Oh, I'm
But-
learning new tricks from you. Yes.
So,
yes.
but then he agreed because we have to book the resort and train booking because no flight is there from Delhi. So then we went to Jawai from Pushkar, and the very first day I didn't take any safari because I reached there around late afternoon. But I asked them, and the touristy people, those who are coming back to the resort, I said, saw her.
Hmm.
तो वो उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि किसके बारे में बात करें। हाँ, एक लेपर्ड देखा।
But they don't know they've seen Padma Ref too.
Yeah. हाँ, एक लेपर्ड देखा, ठीक है। तो मुझे वो रिसोर्ट वाली ड्राइवर ने कहा कि मैम कल सुबह का। मैंने कहा बिल्कुल सुबह 5 बजे तैयार रहना। एकदम तैयार रहेंगे भाई। अगेन इट वाज रेनिंग। द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे इट वाज रेनिंग। क्या करें? फिर इधर-उधर घूमते-घामते फिर देखा तो मैंने 2 कप्स तो हैं पर सो रहे हैं और एक ड्रोंगो इट वाज डिस्टर्बिंग और तभी पता लगा कि वो मुझे वहीं सो रहे हैं क्योंकि पद्मा बार-बार अपना सिर उठा के चारों तरफ देख के फिर सो रहे हैं। So it was the morning sighting. I said, okay, some portrait shot is there without any cups. I said, I have time. Afternoon safari, morning safari, I had time. So afternoon safari, it was again raining. Then somebody told my driver कि male tiger घूम रहा है। तो everybody was running after him. But I do not like that kind of running after the animal because उसमें एनिमल बहुत डर जाते हैं
They become very
और
anxious.
उनके फिर वो कहाँ जाएंगे क्या करेंगे। लेकिन टूरिस्ट थिंग ऐसा है कि वो भी पैसे दे के आ रहे हैं तो उसको लेपर्ड देखना है। उनके ये नहीं कि ऐसा नहीं करना
The
चाहिए।
leopard also has a private
हाँ,
space.
तो एक चीज़ तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि टूरिस्ट के लिए अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़रूरी है। व्हेन दे आर डूइंग द वाइल्ड लाइफ थिंग they have to be
They have to be, complacent with what nature likes.
yes,
Wear subdued and mute
always they are
colors.
shouting, they are having
Playing loud music.
they're munching foods and चारों तरफ प्लास्टिक
Littering, yes.
littering. तो and it was heavily raining right now and it was pitching dark. तो आई सेड कि अब तो मैं कैमरा बंद ही कर लूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए कुछ होगा नहीं अब। और इधर से टॉर्च उधर से टॉर्च, किसी के पास गोल्डन टॉर्च किसी के पास सिल्वर टॉर्च। और मेरे ड्राइवर के पास टॉर्च नहीं है। तो मेरे हस्बैंड ड्राइवर को बहुत गुस्सा कर रहे हैं कि तुम्हारे पास टॉर्च क्यों नहीं है। उसने कहा नहीं चाहिए, आप देखो, चुप रहो, आप चुप रहो, हो जाएगा, देखते हैं। फिर उसने गाड़ी को थोड़ा इधर किया थोड़ा उधर किया और those who are paying more money to do more expensive resorts, वो क्या करते हैं, वो बीच में आके ना ऐसे तुम्हारे सामने खड़े हो जाते हैं।
They park in front of you, yes.
मतलब एथिक्स नहीं होते
नहीं
हैं,
है।
उनके पास कोई कैमरामैन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, बट दे स्टिल
Do it.
यस। तो ऐसा भी किया। फिर मैंने कहा कि होगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है अब। बट मैंने देखा है उसको, जाते हुए देखा है मैंने F2 को, लेकिन वो सिर्फ ग्लिम्स था, मैंने देख लिया, बट वो कैमरे में नहीं आना है। लेकिन कैमरा मेरा ऑन है एंड देन सडनली आई सॉ हिम। पीछे से किसी ने व्हाइट टॉर्च मारा था बहुत दूर से और इधर से किसी ने राइट साइड से किसी ने एक गोल्डन टॉर्च मारा था। वो मारते ही मैंने देखा कि बारिश तो हो रही है और उसके जो है रिम लाइट इफेक्ट एंड हिज आईज आर इन फोकस। आई जस्ट
Took a picture.
took a picture, only 1 or 2 picture, that's all, and I closed my camera.
You were done.
I am done. I said my driver कि let's go, हो गया मेरा, अब कुछ नहीं होना है, चलो।
You were that confident कि
Yes,
you got your
yes,
shot,
yes,
right?
because when I saw that picture that eyes are in focus, I said I will do that thing. अब और रिम लाइट मैंने देख लिया उसके मूछ है, उसके जो हेयर्स है और कान के यहाँ का फिर टेल
पैर
का,
के, हाँ।
वो मुझे दिख गया। मैंने कहा अब आ गया है, जो था इसमें से मैंने द बेस्ट मैंने कर लिया। अब फिर मैं आ गई, बट स्टिल आई वाज हंग्री कि मुझे वो बच्चे के साथ कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला कि जो मैं बोलूँ कि हाँ पद्मा की उसके बाद मुझे कुछ अच्छा शॉट मिला। देन द वेरी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग अनदर एक्सपर्ट ड्राइवर, माय रिसोर्ट ओनर कॉल्ड हिम कि मैडम को ले जाओ और वहाँ जाओ जहाँ ट्रैक हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट ऑफिशियल्स उसको ट्रैक करते हैं और बता देते हैं उस ड्राइवर को जिसको ज़रूरत है, बाकी को नहीं बताते हैं। तो मुझे पहले तो देखा मैंने बच्चे के साथ खेल उसको बच्चे को लेकर खिलाते हुए पहाड़ की तरफ ऊपर लेके
But
जा
I
रहे
think
हैं।
it was against the light. If I've seen your
Yes,
pictures, it was
it was
against the
against the
light.
light. I
Yes.
have to do lot of work
Hmm.
to make them,
Pop out, yes.
हाँ, ठीक है। And I was also far away from
Hmm.
my subject, but still it was very, playful thing
Hmm.
to saw those wonderful kids playing with mom, and mom is completely, you know,
She's very wary.
yes. तो हो गया। फिर मैंने अपने ड्राइवर को कहा, क्या हम उधर नहीं जा सकते, उस पहाड़ के उस तरफ नहीं जा सकते?
Hmm.
आराम से कहा, क्योंकि जोर से बोलना भी नहीं है। और फिर उसने कहा जा तो सकते हैं मैम, चलोगे? मैंने कहा एकदम। मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे ही इशारा किया।
Was your husband still in the car with you?
Yeah, he was there, and he didn't listen to what I said to my
What
driver.
conspired between you and the driver, yes.
I said okay. तो उसने कहा ठीक है बैठो, पकड़ कस के पकड़ो। मैंने तो एक हाथ में कैमरा, एक हाथ में जिप्सी पकड़ी। मैं अपने हस्बैंड को भी कहा कि कस के पकड़ो। उसने जिप्सी घुमाए, एंड देन फिर उसके डीएफओ ने जो फॉरेस्ट ऑफिशियल्स थे उनको हेल्प करना शुरू कर दिया उसके उसमें ट्रैकिंग पे। उनको बोलने लगे कि राइट ले लो, लेफ्ट ले लो, ये ले लो। पर राइट लेके लेफ्ट लेके जब हम उसके ऊपर चढ़ने लगे, देन बोल्डर्स वर देयर। सो 3 बोल्डर्स ने उसकी गाड़ी को
रोक लिया।
रोक लिया। फिर मेरे पीछे जो गाइड थे उसने उतरा नीचे, उसने बोल्डर
Boulders
हटाया।
हटाया।
इन दैट मीन टाइम मेरी जो लेंस कवर था, लेंस कवर गिर गया, क्योंकि गाड़ी ऐसा
एकदम
एकदम ऊपर जा रहा है। फिर तो स्टॉप हो गया। मैं सोचूं मैं ऊपर चढ़ पाऊंगी ना, तो लेकिन मेरा वो गिर गया। हाँ, जैसे ही मेरे गाइड ने उसको उठाया तो मेरा बिन बैग गिर गया, क्योंकि गाड़ी ऐसा जंप कर रहा है कि, और बोल्डर नीचे। हाँ,
everything that could go wrong went wrong.
हाँ, तो उसने फिर जंप किया, फिर मेरी बिन बैग उठाए, फिर मैंने बिन बैग को सेट करके पकड़ के, उसने कहा मैम अब हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं। ठीक है। उसने एकदम से सा करके ऊपर, वो होता ही है उधर उधर ऐसे स्ट्रेट
नहीं है, हाँ।
स्ट्रेट चलना पड़ेगा। जाके उसने जैसे ही रोके तो मैंने देखा पीछे मेरे ग्रीन बैकग्राउंड तैयार है, इधर कैक्टस तैयार है, एंड पद्मा वहां से चल के जा रही है। तो रुके, फिर ऐसे करके देखे, मैंने सोचा बच्चे तो है वहाँ। फिर 2-3 सेकंड के बीच में एक बच्चा उठ के आए, फिर उसके तरफ देखे, मेरी तरफ देखे, जीभ निकाले, माँ को प्यार किया, माँ ने बच्चे को प्यार किया। एंड आई जस्ट, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं तो अब खुद ही चल के उसको प्यार करके आऊं। एंड आई क्लिक एंड देन Padma went, and that little cub, but the another cub was already been bit matured, because that I do not know that is a male or female. uh, started, वो थोड़ा अलग ही रहने लगे हैं, वो नहीं आया। पर ये वाला जो है, इसने फिर से थोड़ा सा बाहर आए और अपना शक्ल दिखाए, अपना पूंछ ऐसे बाहर किया। ऐसे रोके, आई गॉट दैट। तो मैंने इतना लेके फिर मैंने कैमरा बंद कर दिया। मैंने उस दिन और कोई फोटो नहीं लिया। शाम मेरा ट्रेन था राजधानी रात को 11 बजे। मैंने, उन्होंने कितनी बार कहा मैम चलोगे, मैंने कहा मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है।
You're done for
I
today.
want to be at peace with myself.
So you've documented the complete life story of Padma as a leopard who lost her cubs to a ferocious male leopard.
Yes.
You've
And
seen her
ferocious,
in
and she is guarding
her kids.
like
Her life depends on it.
she has made 4 caves for her upkeep of these 2 kids only. Mm.
So, yeah, so that's what I was saying, that you've seen Padma in
Yeah.
all her phases. You've
Yes.
seen her as a
Huh.
mom in
Yes.
despair and pain, then you
Yes.
have seen
Yes.
her come back with
Huh.
as a mom in
Huh.
power
Huh.
with two very beautiful
Yes.
cubs. And that, how does that make you feel as a
Oh,
photographer?
that time I felt like I'm complete. I am done. I'm complete. And then next story. Now Padma is a story with myself.
So you have a closure with Padma now.
Yes. Now
Mhm.
because it's in a happy note
Uh-huh.
that I wanted for Padma last year, and this time I got it. So I personally I feel so
So
happy.
I think I'll just second to what Prasanjit has already told you. You should definitely follow up on this
Yes.
because you are documenting stories through your lenses.
Yes.
And that's what makes you so different from other photographers. I mean, no offense to anyone, every photographer is an artist in their
Yes.
own
Yes. On their own
rightful
right.
places.
Own right. Yes.
Yes. But you would be like one of those very few people that I've come across who is actually documenting stories
Mhm.
through, you know, different life phases, just like we would do for a person. You're actually personifying your subjects
Yes.
through your lenses. And hats off to you. Hats off to you.
Thank
You're
you
such an
so much.
inspiration for so many people, including me. Because, you know, when the word retirement is so, I don't know. I mean, we've attached so many meanings to retirement. People call it the second innings. People call it to a pause in life.
Mm.
People call it, this is when you can lay back. But you actually stood up. Everything you've done so far.
Yes. For that, I must have some kind of discipline in my life to make me powerful to hold this camera, this heavy gear,
Hmm.
this bag,
Hmm.
and
Oh,
to
I know for sure it is not easy.
हाँ, and to वो जीप की जो जिप्सी की जो
The jerk
jerking
of.
to withstand that jerking and without any kind of physical ailment. So I had to be very particular about my diet and physical exercise and mental.
May I also tell you something else? So when I walked in, your husband might have stopped you from going to Javai 3 or 4 times over the due course of time, but he was so proud when I walked in and I was looking at your wall with an awe. Oh my God, this is a beautiful wall. This tells everything about you. And he was so proud of it. But he was also, telling us to move the shoot upstairs onto the terrace because that's where his love calling is. But that's okay. It was fantastic meeting you and
Same
knowing
here.
you,
Same
knowing you.
here.
So
Because
just to wrap up this all, to bring this chapter of this episode to a closure, tell us about top 3 places that now you want to go.
that is the Red Panda expedition,
Namdapha?
Namdapha. And because I was asking my niece कि अरुणाचल कब चले,
Mm-hmm.
तो let's see. One is that is thing, and another is snow leopard.
Snow leopards.
Because the oxygen, less oxygen
But
is
it is also going to cost you a lot of patience.
yes. I will. I had a talk with someone. So I am thinking to going there around last week of February.
Okay.
So that time, some kind of
It would be a little easier at that
easier.
time, but still because the
Yes.
nature of the animal is so elusive.
Yeah, but the conservation has already started and it is showing the result. The
Mhm.
numbers are increasing.
Increasing.
Yes, because right now I cannot go. I cannot visit to Ladakh
Mm.
for this elusive leopard, but I will go this time. I will do. So that is my wish list.
That is like two. One. What is the
Two.
third?
The third one, third one is the which I left behind because last year also I didn't get any frog shot of uh, black-headed ibis.
Oh.
No, because the water level was high
Uh-huh.
and the bird was picking only snakes. No
Okay.
frog was there. I specially went there for that yellow frog
Okay.
into his beak and that is all, but I didn't get. So
So
this year I will go there again if I get it. I do not know. Wildlife is
Manglajodi.
completely yes, Manglajori. And this time I have my wish list is that white
White morph of
paradise flycatcher
paradise
in
flycatcher.
nesting thing. I
Hmm.
know nesting photography is that good,
Unethical, yes.
unethical, but it's fine. I know how to take that photos and from
Without
without
disturbing.
disturbing that. So I will go to another place where no people will go,
Mhm.
and I have already searched that place and had a talk with one of my photographer friend. Only he and I will go.
Not
And
not your husband this time?
but no, he will go. He will go. He will not leave that place. He will go. But somehow or the other, I felt some secured along with him. So it's okay. But it's me only. When I'm in jungle, when I'm
It's you.
in with my wildlife, there is no one. That is my meditation.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for, telling us the story of Padma, how she overcame being a mother in despair and became a mother who's, absolutely outright protecting her
Yes.
cubs from any future
Yes.
problems.
Huh.
This was so beautiful. It was, I think this evening is going to stay with me for a very, very long time.
Oh,
I have had my
smart
share
lesson.
of adventures in the
Yes.
field, but I don't think I would actually compare my field adventures with yours, because this is something class apart, and this is absolutely, like you said, this is yours.
This
You
is
have
mine.
the absolute ownership over this
Huh.
absolute
Because
incident.
I love this place. I love jungle. I love mountains. I love this thing. I love nature.
So I think it is safe to say that COVID-19 was not all that
No,
terrible.
no,
I
no,
mean,
no.
of course, people have lost their loved ones and dear
Yes,
ones, and
yes.
we were also,
I myself suffered 90%
lung
of the
damage. Yeah. So, but yeah, there's a brighter side, and I
Yes.
always choose to look at the brighter side of
Yes,
things.
me also.
So you always come out a stronger and a better person
Yes,
from these
I
kind of
am
things.
stronger than before.
Yeah, I can see all your camera lenses, the
हाँ,
kind of weight they have,
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
to be
And
able to hold them.
ये तो गिर ही गया था, अब दूसरा लिया है, अब पता नहीं उसका क्या होगा.
But we wish you all the best for your
Thank you
future
so much.
expeditions and adventures, and maybe you and I will actually have an adventure
Yes,
together someday.
that will be
The best thing to do.
thing to do.
Yes.
Yes, and I
So
will look forward to it.
absolutely, same here. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And for all of you guys who have been listening to us, please do check out her Insta page. Are you still on Insta?
Yes, I am
Please
still.
check out her Insta page. We'll add her Insta page link on the description box below. Do let us know in the comment section below if you've had similar kinds of field adventures or photography adventures. We would love to hear back from you. And meanwhile, please do give us a like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you, everybody.